Or look at you. Look at you. Brainstorm told me to expect the worst, but what a ridiculous way to die. After everything we've been through, escaping Hell's Point, braving the Crucible, surviving Babu Yar, welding Prowl's hands together for a joke, you end up getting killed by an engine block. Where does that leave me? What am I supposed to do now? I'm a walking misnomer. The world's only duobot. Here, let me mark your passing the traditional way, the vial of innermost energon. As the saying goes, you flare, you flicker, you fade. Yeah, and the world's a darker place without you, buddy. Now hold still while I tidy away your personal effects. Delete your last call. And look for the tracer that you were supposed to attach to the engines. Ah, there it is. Must have rolled. Ah!